My friends, welcome to my channel. I am Good Luck Onyenege, and I'm here to teach you mathematics in a simplified form. The last video I make about factorization using quadratic equation, using factorization method to solve. I solved the first problem, and some persons were saying I should go ahead and solve the second problem for better understanding, which I am here to do. Now, this is the problem on the board. This is the first one I solved in the first video, and I want to solve the second problem. Recall that we have different methods of solving, which I have stated in the first video. But in this very case now, we have x squared minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Now, we said I will have something we call sum, and we have product. What is our sum? The sum is the center number. The center number there is minus 7, which is this. What is our product? Our product is the multiplication of the coefficient of x squared. Here is 1. Any alphabet that does not have any number attached to it has an imaginary 1. So 1 is here. 1 times the constant 12 is 12, and it is still plus. So we have plus 12. Now, what are those two unique numbers that when you multiply it, it will give you 12? The same number, when you add it, it will give you 7. We have minus 4 and minus 3. Some person will want to ask how. Minus 4 times minus 3 will give us plus 12, because minus times minus is plus. Then minus 4 plus minus 3 will give us minus 7. Having known that, now we are going to replace these two numbers we have actually gotten that satisfy these two conditions. We are going to replace it with the center number, and our equation will now be x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. Now, in this case, what do? You group in twos, this into this into this. What do you do here? You factorize. What is factorization? Factorization is the breaking down of algebraic processes into each smaller unit. Here now, you get the highest common factor of each of the brackets. What is the highest common factor here? X. Let that x be outside. Open it. Then use that x to divide. If you use this x to divide x squared, what is remaining is x minus. Do this the same thing here. What is remaining is 4 minus. What is the highest common factor here? 3. Let that 3 be outside. What is still remaining is x plus 4 equal to 0. But in this case now, the brackets are the same, but the signs are not the same, and it is wrong. But let us check where our fault is. Minus 3 times x will give us minus 3. But minus 3 times plus 4 will give us minus 12. But in this case, it's plus. So what can we do to get plus? You change this one to what? To minus. So that minus 3 times minus 4 will give us plus 12. So in this case, you discover that the brackets are the same. Then we are correct. Pick the ones that are outside, which is x minus 3. X minus 3. Then pick one of the brackets, since they are the same, which is x minus 4, all equal to 0. Here now, it means that each of the brackets must be equal to 0. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, make x the subject of the formula, x will be equal to 3. And if x minus 4 is equal to 0, making the x the subject of the formula, x will be equal to what? 4. This follows or implies that x is equal to 3 or